Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. And this one, I got something new for you guys. AI is in everything and now it's in soundbars. That's right, we're gonna take a look at the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 with the brand new AI functionality or AI Dialog Mode. Now, for those of you that don't know what that is, basically, anytime you watch a Netflix movie or any movie for that case and you can't understand what they're saying, well, Bose has a solution for you guys. Now, when your partner says, hey, let's turn the captions on, you can say, hell no.
Just say no.
Just say no.
To captions.
To captions.
I can hear what they're saying, guys. Let's take a look. Let's dig in. Now, Bose positions this as the small room, big brain soundbar. And that's ideal because my girlfriend loves my small room and my incredibly big nothing. I have nothing, guys. I'm forever alone. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is sound, guys. Now, this soundbar comes with both Dolby Atmos and TrueSpace support, and they are fantastic. You're going to see two cables in there. The first one you're going to see is an HDMI eARC. If your TV is like 2018, 2019, or that should be good to go. That is set up and ready for Dolby Atmos. And if you're a baller and you've got Netflix Premium, for example, you can see a lot of different shows that are Dolby Atmos supported. Good to go. Ready. Now, if you have an older TV, you may want to use the optical cable because in this case, it will give you TrueSpace and it's kind of like Dolby Atmos support, but kind of like the Diet Coke version of it where it's almost there, but not quite there. So you still get the elevated sound stage. Also, TrueSpace processing, that helps make the non-Atmos content feel a lot more cinematic. It sounds really, really good. Plus, the headline AI Dialog Mode helps pull the voices forward without flattening the rest of the mix. I flipped AI Dialog Mode on for news, sports commentaries, and a few mumbly movies, and that's where the AI Dialog Mode really shines. Right, so here's the trick. It doesn't just boost the center channel, it identifies speech versus effects that live in similar frequencies and adjusts it on the fly. So whispers are boosted and explosions don't fall flat. Now out of the box, the sound quality is very good, but it sounds a little bit thin. It's definitely better than TV speakers, and it pushes voices up front where they belong, which is definitely the point. However, if you want that movie night oomph, and you know what I'm talking about, well, you're gonna need to get some sub bass. Now, the optional Bose Bass Module 500 or 700, well, those fill out the low end in a big way. Let's take a look. If Dolby Atmos is your jam, adding some Bose surround speakers to the soundbar along with the bass module is where the mix really kicks into gear. Serious, you get full immersive sound and it is incredible. Now, one thing I should mention is with any add-ons to the soundbar, you are locked into the Bose ecosystem. So something to keep in mind if you plan on upgrading, you're gonna need Bose products to do so. Atmos content sounds spacious for the size of the soundbar, and Bose layers in upward firing transducers to lift effects. When you're not listening to Atmos, TrueSpace does the heavy lifting, upmixing regular stereo and 5.1 into a multi-channel stage with surprisingly convincing height cues. This gives it a real feel of height and a larger sound stage. Also, ditch Bluetooth when you can, as over Wi-Fi you get AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect. That results in higher fidelity than SBC Bluetooth and a lot fewer dropouts. Bluetooth is still there for quick connect, but Wi-Fi is generally the better of the two options. And if you're a bass junkie, you're still going to want to get that sub for the low-end slam, if you know what I mean. The Bose Smart Soundbar is compact and living room friendly. It's ideal for apartments, bedrooms, and smaller living spaces. Bose rates it with 5 internal speakers, and that includes 2 vertically firing speakers as well as a center channel. Real talk, Bose's AI is not a gimmick. It fixes the everyday problem of hearing people talk in the movies and TV shows. Seriously though, if you value sound quality and voice clarity, the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 earns its spot. And if you want a little extra, add the Bass Module 500 or 700 if you want more warmth, and the full surround kit if you're building a compact Dolby Atmos rig. It's all there, guys. Anyways, links in the description below. Let me know what you think of this video, and thanks for watching.